Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to set up voice chat on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open Roblox app on your mobile or PC. Once you open it guys, now you have to click on this three dot over here. Now go to settings. Now go to in privacy. Once you're in privacy guys, you have to scroll down, and here you have to make sure that you have a microphone in the privacy. So once you have microphone, just enable it from here. But if you don't see the microphone, you just need to guys verify your number to get the microphone in the privacy to set up the voice chat in the game of Roblox. And once you get this microphone and enable it from the privacy, you can open any game that supports microphone as communication to set up voice chat. Let's open this game. Now once you open any game that support microphone as communication guys, so if it is support the microphone or the voice chat, you have to click on this Roblox icon over here, and now you can tap on this mic icon from here, and you can see the variation over here. It means I have enabled the voice chat in the game. Now you can guys start using the voice chat feature on Roblox. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.